Hi everyone, I've been sick, so I got an allergy or something. This is my tumbler thing. My drum, I guess it's called. I can get the top off, because I haven't had it open in a while. There. I'm going to show you if I can get it out. Should have taken it apart first, shouldn't I? There it went. Alright, I got the cylinder brake. Now, see these? What you do, you have to excuse my voice because I am not feeling good. I think something's blooming outside that I'm allergic to. Probably pine. We're going to put some water in it. Probably didn't need that much, but may need more. I don't remember. It's been a while. I'm going to put a little bit more. And then you use Dawn dishwashing. And I just put a drop in. It don't need much. And I think you can buy those little metal beads, a shot, on Amazon. And what you do is you don't take any plated metal though. But if it's solid like this, copper, we'll put a couple pieces in. But don't put something in that is really gonna get messed up if it's banged around. Well, we'll just do one at a time, I guess. Well, let's see what I've got here. I think they'd survive. It's gonna work hard in your stuff. We'll put these two in. Oh, maybe three. We'll put the lid on it. Not as strong as I used to be. This one will go down on one side more than on the other. There. Now. And then I'll put it in the tumbler in a little bit and let it tumble. I don't have room for it here. So I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like after it's been tumbled. Okay, I'll be back. So we'll see how it turned out. Tumbled this thing for about a little less than 2 hours, I'd say. So we'll see how everything come out. If I can get it to let it go. Gotta break the seal. Alright. I didn't bring any clean water with me. See what the water looks like. Let me see how dirty the water is. Now you'll find these little things stuck in here in places. You want to get them out. I don't know what that is. Looks like a bead. Any more stuck anywhere? Alright, let's put these little things back in here. I don't think I did anything with beads on it. I see the UFO one stuck in there. There's one. Probably don't need to run it that long. Probably just need to run it maybe 30 minutes. I'm going to move this back and close it because I don't want nothing getting in it. And I think I've got all my pieces out. You just have to look, and it's work hardened, the metal now, see? It's not as flexible, which is good. And with all three of these in there together, they came out looking good. And it might have even washed my pits out of this one. This one's got some pits in it, but it's the nature of that stone. It was a really pity stone whenever we cut it. So I'm going to go rinse the soap off of them and dry them real good and put them in a Ziploc. But other than that, it polished them up really nice. The metal's good and sturdy now. It works, hardens the metal. And that stone might have been dyed a little bit because I think it was darker. But I know these two are real stones. We cut them. So, but yeah, the metal's hard. It don't give like it would if it hadn't been run through. See this? Now if I run this one through, see the difference in the metal, how polished. If I run this one through, this will be harder to bend. And I'm planning on running every one through the tumbler that has a safe stone in it. If it's got a soft stone, I can't do it. Without probably taping the stone up or taking the stone out. But this is a hard stone. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. That's a big difference. You see the difference in the metal. That one's tarnished. And that's all the same color or kind of metal. It's just been sitting here and it's tarnished. See how they've tarnished? But I will store them in a Ziploc bag. And that polishes your little nicks out of them. And this is just the cheap little one from Harbor Freight. But you can see the difference in the metal. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye. This is my proof. Hi everyone. I got the VC box for my husband and he ended up loving it. Honestly, we both did. We like it so much that I actually became an affiliate. If you already have internet, the VC box makes it easy to watch tons of live channels, movies, shows, and sports without monthly cable bills. It's simple to set up, streams in HD, and has been a great way for us to cut our TV costs. If you want to check it out, my link is below.